All right, guys, we're doing some jazzy lessons lately. This is Nina Simone, My Baby Just Cares for Me, and so forth. All right, this is just the tip of the iceberg here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you are a member, you can download the extensive sheets for this. I teach you every note, even the piano solo sections. And let's get started. Okay, so here's our part one lesson. And the reason this is great for left hand is because normally the right hand is, or the piano is a right hand driven instrument. And a lot of us kind of struggle with having our left hand being strong and being able to carry out things. And this little riff at the beginning puts the left hand in the driver's seat on the downbeat and the accent. So it just does something for your brain, I think, that just helps strengthen that left side of your body when you're playing. So it's a really good exercise, even if you only do these first two measures. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. If you're looking this up on YouTube to hear what we're doing, look up on YouTube, Nina Simone, Simone, My Baby Just Cares for Me. It's got 22 million views. The video has a picture of piano key hammers in the thumbnail, and then the actual video is a cute little claymation thing done by the guy who did Wallace and Gromit. So it's kind of a cute video, but a very jazzy song, very cool, very classy lady. So A in the left hand, below middle C, then G sharp, F sharp, and then I'll come under with my thumb for E with 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 2 finger for D, C sharp, 3 finger, B, 4th finger, and E with my thumb. So I have little tenuto marks over the left hand because those are stately. Those are the beats, and they've got to anchor this thing. So the left hand takes a back seat and does the upbeat here. So A, C sharp, E, F sharp in the right. That's an F sharp minor 7 chord. F sharp, A, C sharp is an F sharp minor. Add the E in there and you get a 7th, okay? So we have that chord we're going to do. We do A first and then right hand. G sharp, F sharp, E. So dun, dun, dun. You can practice that by just kind of beating on a desk. Dun, 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 dun. Just to get the rhythm part of it. And then, but make sure you're heavy on the left and not on the right hand. If you've never done this sort of thing, it'll kind of throw you for a loop, and you'll think, wow, why can't I do this? It seems so, should be easy. So the next measure D, but our right hand's going to go to B, D, F sharp, A. That is a B minor 7. B, D, F sharp is our minor, and you add a 7th, call it B minor 7. So D, C sharp, B. But then we change the chord to this, B, D, E, A. Okay, and that's a suspended chord that never resolves. If we resolved it, it ended up being an E7, but we keep the suspension on top. That's normal for the suspension not to resolve. It can if it wants to, but sometimes it won't. All right, so we have slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how my left hand is active and I'm not stationary trying to just hang on to every key, and be careful about it. It's got to have a little staccato to it, a little space. And it happens a total of 5 times. Okay? The third time, you stay. It says stay because you're going to keep this chord. And the 3, 4, 5 times, she doesn't change to the suspension. She stays with the B minor 7. So 1, 2, first 2 times through, you do like I have written there. 3, 4, 5, she starts singing eventually. And 3, 4, 5 times you stay on that B minor 7. Okay, so here's the first time. Second time, third time, stay, 4th time, stay, and 5th time, Notice that 5th time I went to A because it's going to go back to B. So the 5th time you play an A in the left hand instead of an E. Okay? So work on that. It'll help you with your left hand. A lot of people say left hand independence, but that's not really what we want. We don't want your hands to be independent. That's your problem. We want them to be cooperative with each other and work together. We do want left hand to be able to lead, left hand strength. So we want the left hand to be able to lead. And this little exercise at the beginning will help you do that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this part 1 lesson. Talk